Today we're gonna learn how to make this beautiful wall hanging. To do this, we need 3 different colored papers, glue, scissor, some pearls, and a sketch pen. First, cut the black paper into a circle. Then take the pink paper and cut 4 ribbons with similar widths. After that, cut a piece from the pink paper again and learn to make a flower from it. Now take the orange paper and watch how I am making a different shaped flower from it. After learning how to make one, make 9 more. Now take 3 small pieces of orange papers and make 3 cones. You can make them by folding the paper as I am folding and then gluing the top. Then glue the edges of the cones as shown in the video. Now take the ribbons and place them on the black circle. Now make 22 of the previous pink flowers and glue them as shown in the video. After that, it's time to glue the flowers. Now glue 3 flowers on top of each other in the middle of the shape. It would look better if you make the 3rd flower a bit smaller than the others. Take the sketch pen and draw stripes in the middle flower. Now glue the pearls in the middle of each flower. After that, you need to cut 4 ribbons as shown in the video. Then, attach them accordingly. Now make 5 cones with one bigger than the 4 others. And do the same with the sizes of the flowers too. And then glue the pearls. After finishing, make a hook with a thick paper and place it behind the design. And congratulations, you have successfully made this beautiful wall hanging. Now remember, you can choose the size and color of the papers as long as you understand how to make the design. If you like this video, then consider subscribing this channel. Share it with your friends, and just like this. I'll see you in the next video.